Active reading techniques for the ACT. Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll dive deep into active reading techniques. If you're preparing for the ACT reading section, mastering these techniques will help you comprehend passages more efficiently and answer questions accurately. Active reading is not just about reading words on a page. It involves engaging with the text, asking questions, and making connections. This technique ensures that you're not just passively consuming information but actively processing and understanding it. The ACT reading test is time-sensitive. You have limited time to read passages and answer questions. Active reading helps you grasp main ideas quickly, recall details more efficiently, reduce the need to reread passages multiple times. 1. Predicting. Before diving into the passage, skim the title and any subtitles. What do you think the passage is about? Making predictions can guide your focus. 2. Annotation. As you read, underline or highlight key details, main ideas, or any unfamiliar terms. This helps in recalling details during the question-answering phase. 3. Ask questions. Constantly ask yourself questions. What is the author's main point? Why is this detail here? Is there a contrast or comparison being made? 4. Summarize. After each paragraph or section, pause and summarize what you just read in your own words. This reinforces your understanding. 5. Visualize. Create a mental image of the events, situations, or concepts being described. This can be especially helpful in literary narratives or descriptions. 6. Connect. Relate the information to something you already know. Making connections can enhance comprehension and memory. 1. Over-annotating. While annotations can be helpful, don't get carried away. You don't have time to highlight everything. 2. Getting stuck. If you come across a confusing part, don't spend too much time on it. Make a note and move on. Often, reading further clarifies previous confusing parts. 3. Not being adaptable. Every passage is different. Sometimes, you might need to adjust your active reading strategy based on the complexity or type of the passage. Active reading is a game-changer for the ACT reading test. By practicing these techniques regularly, you'll be better equipped to tackle the challenging texts that come your way. We hope this video has been enlightening and wish you the best in your ACT preparations.